Apparently the Satin Bred Jordan 1s are gonna shock drop tomorrow on the SNKRS app, and I'm gonna talk about everything you should expect. What's good, family? I know I've been slacking a little bit. It was my birthday, so I took a little hiatus for a couple days. Promise y'all we back full-fledged. I actually have a pair of Satin Breds on the way to me right now, plus 2 other early sneakers. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, leave a like, cause we about to start going crazy. I promise y'all. Low-key, I just filmed the Supreme drop list. It's a little bit on the later side, and I feel like if I drop that video today, it's probably gonna be mad late, so I decided to just film the shock drop info for y'all. Now take this video with a grain of salt or pepper, because at the end of the day, sneakers shock drops fluctuate, bro. Nike could be like, damn, they're talking about it too much, we not dropping shit. That could happen, or they could move the date, but I'm just giving y'all the information that I found out. That way I could try to help a couple more people cop. So let's go ahead and talk about it. The Satin Bred Jordan 1s are gonna shock drop on SNKRS app tomorrow, which is the 4th of October at 2 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you're on the app. Obviously, the way SNKRS does it lately is 30 minutes or 20 minutes before they'll start alerting people. But if you're one of those people that don't have your notifications on, make sure around 1:50, 1:40 you go on the app and just start peeping shit out. They could move it to 2:30, could be at 1:30, so just make sure you're on the SNKRS app tomorrow. This is a women's pair, so make sure you convert your size accordingly. For all my Bigfoot people out there, I apologize, but there is gonna be no extended sizing on this pair, which is kind of a bummer because I know a lot of y'all probably want these, especially since the last time these released in the satin material was around 2015, and those pairs were numbered to around 501 pairs. I am gonna do a full review for these because, like I said, I already have a pair on the way, but this was an extremely limited pair that was going for around 4,000 or something like that, and it's now getting released to the public as a GR. I'm excited that I have the size which can fit this pair of sneakers, and I'm gonna try to get another pair tomorrow. We're gonna see how that goes, to be honest. Aside of the hype and everything, this is a pair of sneakers that I definitely needed to get my hands on, specifically since at this point I've had a fake pair of Breds. I had the patent Breds, which honestly was dookie. Hopefully this Satin Bred pair is beautiful because I definitely would love to keep these in the collection. I honestly couldn't get past the patent leather on the Bred one. Hopefully this satin material on it doesn't throw it off for me. From what I've seen in pictures, on feet videos and all that, they're looking beautiful. So make sure y'all sub up because we got a video coming for these shortly. And as far as the shock drop goes tomorrow, I hope that all of y'all are able to pick this pair up. Just make sure you're on there, have your information saved, do whatever you got to do on the SNKRS app. I don't really got to talk about it too much because y'all already know 2 p.m. Eastern is the time that we're hearing though, so make sure you're on there so you don't miss out. That pretty much does it for this quick little video. I am gonna drop the Supreme drop list tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Have a great rest of your day, morning, night, evening. Whenever you're watching this video, check out one of these 2 videos because that's what YouTube is recommending you based on what you've been watching recently. YouTube knows you better than you do, so I suggest you check out one of these 2 videos right here. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.